It's a lovely warm night in Springland. Everyone is already fast asleep. There's Honk the car. Tonight, there's a special surprise in Springland. Toot the boat has invited Honk to come to the harbor. Honk loves nighttime. Listen to those sounds. Can you hear the owl, the crickets, the frogs croaking? Honk knows this sound. It's Swoosh Swoosh, the helicopter. Oh, are you going to see the special surprise